Yeah, we out here in this snow, man. Yeah, take a look at this. This is how you're supposed to do it. Real snow. Got the children covered up. We ready to go do our thing. We ready to get on these boards, get on these inner tubes. Go hard. Go hard in the game. Look at this. It's pure white all out here. Look. Y'all ready? Yeah, we about to hit these slopes. We about to do a real big. Woke up. Everybody got their snowsuits on. Yeah, we had to come on and clown with the punk's hat. We got for holding the NFT. Rocking the off-whites. The orange tag on it. Virgil off-whites. Yeah, that's how we do it. We got everybody looking good over here. Got gloves on. Ain't nobody hands-free. We ain't wearing no socks on our hands like we did back in the day. That's how we did it, baby. Socks on the hands, soaked all the way through. Fingers froze up. Taking it to the next level now. And the rest of them ain't even out here. Where they at? Putting something else on. Pine trees. Look, smell that clean air. Man, it don't get no better than that. Don't get no better than that. Baby wanted to climb the fence this morning and get into these people's playgrounds. I ain't mad at him. I probably would have hit the fence. I think he tried to. I caught him just in time, though. Wasn't happening. It was not happening. He over there right now trying to pick up some dog balls and throw them. You can't grab those, young man. Uh-oh. We got snow angels popping off. It might be too hard to make those. We gotta wait till we get to the soft angel. That's hard. We just laid out. Everybody laid out in the snow. We got snow angels over here. Snow angels over here. Just laid out angels. I don't know. Snow dead bodies. I don't know what you're gonna call them. Oh yeah, we got some more. Look at that. We got some more Sasquatches all out in the trees coming through. Yeah, you gotta throw it. Throw it. And laying in the ice, laying in the snow. They're trying to get clean. They're taking baths. Where the big dog at? Where birthday boy at? Where the celebration at? Oh, tell him, let's roll out. Roll out. Roll out. We got to hit these, trying to carve up in here. Trying to be like, toes, heels. Toes, heels. Yeah, see, these got spikes on them. I was going to wear them. These not even snow boots. But I was like, you know what? This is better than some damn snow boots with spikes they got on them. I'm going to take them off when I put the boards on, but that's all good. I'll rock them as long as I can. As long as I can. That's how we going to do it. There you go. Swim it out, baby. Swim it out. You handled it? That's what I like to see. Okay, yeah. We haven't even went to the front yard yet. This is just the backyard on it. So yeah, let's go around this way. Let's go see what birthday boy doing. If I can get through this slush. The ice starting to melt. We need some more snow. This is some old fake snow trippers. Icy and how warm it is as it is out here. I'm about to take some of this off. I'm starting to get hot. Man. Thought we was gonna be freezing. Actually, let's go ahead in here and take a look at this, though. I don't think y'all got to see this shit. Come on. Come on. Come on here, yeah. Ooh. There, dude. Yep, come on. Yeah. You know how I be with the bathtubs. I got to stay with a bathtub. Can't go week without having no bathtub. Walk-in closet. I might just have to move in up in here. This is just it's too much. Come on in here, young man. Yeah, boy. This shit clean up in here. TVs up in every room. Got the bunk beds. Hey, it's only 6 of us. Next time, though. Look at this. We're gonna have to bring all 6 of us could have just bunked up in this room. But hey, we doing it real big this time, so we ain't even tripping off no room. Yeah, let's keep going. Let's keep going. Another one of them. It feels good just to be able to spread your feet out, spread your hands out. Yeah, we going. Don't worry. We going. Fireplace had us nice and lit last night. Dominoes was getting slapped. People's feelings was getting hurt. All that. Got a pine tree with some ornaments on it. Yeah, rub. Look at the man. Like I said, might have to just move up in this month. Wake up every day and see this. Hey, how can you be mad at that? You can't. You could be mad at me, but you can't be mad at this. You can hate on me, but you can't hate on this. Don't hate. Yeah, you have to put it back on. Go ahead and put that back on. Man, the snacks is popping. Had a bomb breakfast this morning that we had to cook. Hey, it's just been off the meat rack. Let's go up in here off of this game room, though. Yep, shredding. It's about time for that. It's almost time to shred with them. What is that? I don't even know what that was. I'm not gonna ask no questions. People getting slapped up on a shuffleboard, a little switch. Mario Kart 8 on their head. Bop, bop, bop. Got the billiards. I don't even know how to play that. I'll slap you with some pool though, but this billiards, I don't even know the rules. Yeah, it is getting hot. I feel you. Don't take it off. Don't take it because we're about to leave, okay? Don't take that off yet. I know you hot. It's all good. I'm hot too. Okay, let's go back outside in the snow. Go back outside in the snow where it's cool at. So you don't be tripping. Yeah. Put your gloves. Go back outside in the snow. Yeah, we just had to give you a little tour real quick of how we had to do it this time. We're gonna let young man get his gloves back on so he can go outside because I know he hot burning up. Hot like fire. Take you higher. I am mad though we couldn't make no biscuits this morning because we couldn't find no cookie sheet. Had to eat toast. Toast and honey with no butter. Couldn't find no sugar either. But guess what? We got honey, so ain't nobody even tripping off that. We'll sweeten it up. We always got something to sweeten up with. Come on. Let's go outside. Yep. Y'all see this? Follow me. But you bet not slip. There it is. Yeah. Woo. Yeah, man. Oh, wait till we get this later on. Can I even lift this? Oh. Woo. Look at the steam rising off it right now, though. Wait till I get back sore, beat up like I just had a football game. Slide on it. You stay away. You definitely stay up out of this. Yeah, hey, that's the chlorine you smell. Taking them whiffs. Back up. Oh yeah, that's gonna be the healer right there. A little hydrotherapy when I get back.
Mama,
yeah.
You got to get your mitt on.
Okay, well, as you can see, it's time to wrap this up. Got to get my mittens on. I'm getting punked, so we're gonna catch you on the rebound. We ain't done with this yet. Just getting started. Keep your eyes peeled. And he got his mittens on backwards, so I got double duty. We'll be back.